Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya atur letaknya, khususkan saja. Yalah. Oke, ini direkam, coba selama 1 menit, munculkan wajahnya, aktifkan videonya. Oke. Mbak Dina terbalik, Mbak. Mbak Dina, nah, ayo, oke. Ya. Kok hilang lagi, belum semenit kok. Oke. Ya. Kita akan teruskan. Ya. Kemarin, ya, sampai dengan kemarin, minggu lalu maksud saya, masih belum semua yang presentasi, ya. Walaupun sudah saya berikan kesempatan. Nah, hari ini akan kita teruskan yang kedua. Ya, yang kedua. Tapi utamakan dulu yang belum. Ya, yang belum. Nah, kalau ada merasa dia sudah, padahal belum, ya silakan sekarang hari ini. Ini hari terakhir untuk yang belum kemarin itu. Ya. 3 to 5 minutes for each of you, yeah, to explain your topic. Okay. Dan, ya. Yang belum, silakan saya mulai sekarang. Tapi sebelum itu saya ini, Pak, saya presentasikan sesuatu sekitar 3 menit, ya. Mudah-mudahan ini bisa menjadi inspirasi. Coba ini, ya. Ya, ini. Apa saudara sudah bisa melihat website yang saya tampilkan?
Sudah, Pak.
Oke. Nah, ini factoring trinomials, yang memfaktorkan suku 3, ya, dan ya, selisih 2, ya, 2 kuadrat, ya. Oke. Jadi perhatikan, ya.
Just like the trinomials in the previous section, this trinomial has an x squared term, an x term, and a constant term. So it can be factored as the product of 2 binomials. So starting with our 2 sets of parentheses, x squared factors as x times x. Now we want to find factors of the constant term that add to the coefficient of the middle term. So we're looking for factors of -6 that add to -5. Remember that a negative number factors into the product of a positive and a negative. So our factors of -6 are +6 times -1, or -6 times +1, or +3 times -2, or -3 times +2. This is a tricky problem because many of these pairs of factors look like they could add to -5. But the only one that does is -6 times +1. So our answer is x minus 6 times x plus 1.
Oke, ya. Tadi videonya bisa dilihat ya? Halo?
Bisa, Pak.
Ya, ya.
Bisa,
Ada
Pak.
banyak istilah tadi ya, trinomial terms, ya, product, factors. Factors itu bisa kata kerja ya, maksudnya memfaktorkan gitu ya, oke. Dan sebagainya, ya, oke. Oke. Saya keluar lagi, ya. Itu tadi itu tidak sampai 3 menit itu ya, tidak sampai 3 menit. Oke. Ini kan bahasanya kan bahasa orang sana ya. Oke. Nah sekarang ya kita mulai. Ini baru 19 orang, mestinya 33 ya. Oke. Mudah-mudahan masuk semuanya. Mudah-mudahan yang belum semua ini. Tapi saya lihat dari namanya ini kayaknya sudah semua ini ya. Oke. Itu kemana yang belum itu ya? Oke. Dan ini saksi ya. Ya. Ini saksi saudara bahwa ya sudah saya minta ya. Oke. Oke, siapa yang ini yang belum? Silakan.
Saya, Pak.
Oke, Nur Iza. Belum apa? Oh ya, oke. Sekarang Nur Iza ya.
Saya
Oke,
belum
Nur Iza
juga,
dulu
Pak.
ya. Oke. Itu videonya diangkat sedikit, Mbak. Itu cuma ujung kepalanya yang kelihatan. Nah, oke. Lagi, Mbak, lagi, Mbak. Oke. Yuk. Ya, Mbak. Gimana, Mbak Nur Iza?
Mau share screen belum bisa. Oke.
Belum latihan ya? Ini pakai laptop atau pakai HP? Mbak Nur. Nah,
Saya
seharusnya
pakai
mudah tuh di
laptop.
kanan bawah itu, ada kanan bawah itu. Kanan bawah itu ada presentasikan sekarang atau bahasa Inggrisnya. Yang tanda panah. Pilih,
Iya.
pilih yang bawah
Ini
itu loh, yang apa? Tab atau jendela, pilih tab aja. Oke, Reza sudah. Oke, Mbak Iza. Dibesaran dikit, Mbak. Oke. Tuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
A linear equation in one variable is an equation which has a maximum of one variable of order 1. It is of the form a times x plus b equals 0, where x is the variable. This equation has only one solution. Few examples are 3 times x equals 1, 22 times x minus 1 equals 0, 4 times x plus 9 equals negative 11. Question. The length of the legs of an isosceles triangle is 4 meters more than its base. If the perimeter of the triangle is 44 meters, find the length of the sides of the triangle. Let us
Triangle.
assume the base.
Triangle.
Let us assume
Mbak Nur.
triangle.
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 Bukan jel, angle.
Triangle.
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 Ah ya, oke.
Triangle. Let us assume the base measure x meters. Each one of the legs measure y equals x times 4 meters. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the three sides. The equations are solved as follows. X plus 2 times x plus 4 equals 44. X plus 2 times x plus 8 equals 44. 3 times x plus x equals 44. 3 times x equals 44 minus x equals 39, 36. 3 times x equals 36. X equals 36 divided 3. X equals 12. The length of the basic is solved as 12 meters. Each of the two legs measured 16 meters.
Oke, ya. Sudah Mbak ini, Mbak Nur? Ya.
Sudah.
Itunya nanti di rekamannya itu kelihatannya ujung kepalanya aja ya. Jadi, oke. Oke ya. Who's next? Tadi yang sudah daftar, Mbak Puspa.
Iya.
Oke, Mbak Puspa. Time's yours.
Sudah kelihatan belum, Bang?
Ya, oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bentar, Pak. I want to present about operation on integers. There are 4 operations on integers. The first addition, the second subtraction, the third multiplication, and the last division. The first addition, example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Negative 5
Equals, bukan equals.
equals
Ya.
8. Negative 5 plus 3 equals negative 2.
5 plus -3 equal to -5 plus -3 equals -8. The second subtraction.
Oke, stop Mbak. One topics only. Ya, itu mau ada topik pembagian ya. Oke. Jadi satu topik saja ya. Oke. Kita Pak Mbak Puspa. Oke. Oke, please stop sharing. Bukan sampai 4 ya.
Iya.
Satu aja. That's enough. Thanks. Ya. Oke.
Terima kasih.
Yo, oke. Who's next? Mbak Nanda.
Saya, Pak.
Ini yang pertama toh?
Iya.
Oke.
Iya.
Yo.
Sudah kelihatan,
Ya.
Pak? Okay, now I will explain about number, specific positive integers, and negative integers. Numbers consist of negative integers number and positive integers number. Summation and reduction to integers. Number line model approach. First, forward and backward. Second, nose 1, and third, nose 2. Summation and reduction to integers. Approach model, the number line forward and backward. Integers number consists of positive, expand, null, fixed, and negative loopback. Operation consists of positive, make, and negative reserve selection. The example 2 plus 3. From 0, we must forward to number 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. The example again, calculate negative 2 plus 3.
Plus.
Negative 2 plus 3.
Negative 2 plus 3.
Plus 3.
Okay.
From 0, we must backward to negative 2 plus 3. So we must forward to number 3 times. So negative 2 plus 3 equals 1. Summation and reduction to integer. Approach model, the number line rows 1. Integers number consists of positive direction to right, 0 fixed, negative direction to left. Operation consists of positive continue, negative convert to add to operation. Operation value is judged from the base point 1 to row 2. See below number row heard. The example, calculate 2 plus 3. Direction from 0, direction to right, to number 2, plus 3, so a class is 5. The example again, negative 2 plus 3, from 0 we must direction to left to negative 2 plus 3. So a class is 1.
Oke, ya. Oke, Mbak, that's enough ya. That's more than one topic. Ya, cukup, Mbak. Ya udah lebih dari satu topik ya. Oke. Thanks, Mbak Nanda ya. Oke, please ya. Stop sharingnya. Oke. Oke, Mbak Nanda. Ya. Who's next, please? Who's next? Siapa selanjutnya? Nggak ada? Oke, nggak ada ya. Oke. Oke. Nah, oke, saya baca catatannya. Oke, ya. Benar, nggak ada lagi? Ya. Oke. Harusnya ada pesan tadi itu coba. Sukma tadi siapa pesannya apa? Ada chat ini. Pak, saya izin terlambat presentasi, baru keluar mencari sinyal. Putus. Aduh, kasihan ya. Di daerah mana ini? Ya, oke. Keluar maksud keluar mana? Keluar rumah. Ya, oke. Oke ya. Oke. For your information gitu ya. Kita ketemu lagi minggu depan. Ya, sekali lagi. Sehingga selesai semuanya 2 kali nanti. Ya, semuanya 2 kali. Ya. Oke, sekarang ya. Sementara menunggu yang belum. Saya tanya lagi yang belum. Apa ini yang belum? Nggak ada? Oke. Kalau nggak ada, silakan yang kedua. Ya. Oke. Lalu, jangan sampai pertemuan besok itu waktunya habis, nggak cukup nanti. Sekarang dapat separuh, bagus. Oke, Mbak Aza. Oke, Mbak Aza. Ya, time is yours. Ya, 3 to 5 minutes.
Pak.
Ya. Oke, go Mbak Aza.
Today we will learn about measure of spread. In this section, we will learn about range and interquartile range, which are the simplest way to show how spread out a set of data. Range and interquartile range. So if we have a set of data right over here, the first thing to do is sort the value from the lowest to the highest, like this. So we got the lowest value is 1 and the highest value is 15. So the range is highest minus lowest. So the range is 15 minus 1 equals 14. The next one is to find the interquartile range. To find the interquartile range, we must split the data into a half using median. The median is between 8 and 10, like over here. Then we got 2 parts. The first is lower and the second is upper.
Next, we should find the median of lower and the median of upper. The median of lower called lower quartile, and the median of upper called upper quartile. So the median of lower is between 2 and 4. Then the lower quartile is 2 plus 4 divided by 2. And the upper quartile is between 13 and 14. Then, the lower quartile is 3. The upper quartile is between 13 and 14. Then the upper quartile is 13 plus 14 divided by 2 equals 13 and a half. Then the interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. The upper quartile is 13 and a half and the lower quartile is 3. So 13 and a half minus 3 equals 10 and a half. That's it. That's it for mixture of spread.
Okay, thanks ya for Mbak Zah. Okay. Okay, next. Next. Halo.
Saya Pak.
Oke, Mbak Amelia. Oke, Mbak.
Ya.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Suara saya kedengaran, Pak?
Ya, Waalaikumsalam. Oke.
Okay. From this materi, I have fraction.
Videonya jangan lupa, Mbak. Your video, please.
Maaf, Pak. Ini saya bisanya cuma pakai HP. Jadinya mukanya nggak kelihatan.
Oke. Go.
Okay, the question, Anna combined 7 divided 4 cup of pancake mix and 5 divided 4 of a cup water to make pancake batter.
Ini Mbak belum presentasinya belum Mbak, belum muncul loh.
Oh iya, maaf Pak. Maaf.
Oke, ya. Let's go.
The question, Anna combined 7 divided 4 cups of pancake mix and 5 divided 4 of a cup water to make pancake batter. If she used 1 divided 4 of a cup batter to make each pancake, how many pancake can Anna make from her batter? So first we have 7 divided 4 of pancake mix and 5 divided 4 of a cup water. So for make the pancake batter, we must mix the pancake mix and a cup water. So 7 divided 4 plus 5 divided 4 equals 12 divided 4. And from the question, if she use 1 divided 4 of a cup batter to make a pancake, (12 divided 4 divided 1 divided 4 equals 12 divided 4 multiply 4 divided 1 equals 48 divided 4. So Anna can make pancake from the batter is 12.
Oke, Mbak Amelia. Jangan keluar dulu, Mbak.
Oh iya.
Tapi lagi. Oke. Mana tadi yang soal? Oke, ya. Tadi Mbak Amelia membacanya 7/4 itu berapa tadi?
7 divided 4.
Oke.
Ya.
Ingat ini bukan operasi ya, ini bilangan. Jadi membacanya sebaiknya itu ya 7/4 ya, atau 7/4 ya. Oke,
Apa
kemudian
Pak? Over.
over itu kan per ya.
Oh ya, over.
Ya, oke, over ya. Oke.
Over.
Karena ini jadi bukan 1 divided by 4, tapi ya 1/4 atau 1/4 ya. Oke. Oke, thanks Mbak Amelia. Oke.
Ya.
Stop sharingnya. Oke, ini tinggal sedikit ya, tinggal 18 orang nih. Oke, who's next?
Saya Pak.
Ya, Mbak Enda, silakan Mbak Enda.
Ya. Bentar Pak. Terlihat Pak papan tulisnya.
Ya, oke, that's good ya. Oke, kita lihat.
Okay, hello everyone. Today our presentation about straight line equation. What is straight line equation? Straight line equation is comparison with difference between the y coordinate and the x coordinates of two.
Oke, Mbak, maju dikit, Mbak, maju.
Oh.
Maju ke arah papan. Nah, udah kelihatan ya. Go. Ya.
The straight line equation is comparison with the difference between y coordinate and the x coordinates of two points located on that lines. So the straight line equation, if you know that the slope and the point through the line faces, supposedly that the point through the line, namely x1. Maaf Pak.
Pak, termos jatuh.
Y1. So supposedly the two points, the face of the line is x1 and y1, and you know the slope or the gradient is m. So we have the formula to straight line equation is y minus y1 equal m parenthesis x minus x1. So this is the formula, the straight line equation, if you know that the 2 points face the line and the gradient. For example, I have the 2 points face the line is -2 and -3. And the gradient is 3. So we can remember that this is the 2 points, namely x1 and y1, and the gradient is 3. With the formula is y minus y1 equal m parenthesis x minus x1. We can substitution this formula with this equation, the 2 points and the gradient. So we can write y minus y1 is -3 equal m is 3, x minus x1 is -2. Okay, y minus -3 is y plus 3 equal 3 parenthesis, x minus -2 is plus 2. So with this operation, we can use cross multiplication like this. So we can write y plus 3 equal 3 times x plus 3 times 2. So 3x plus 6. Kelihatan ya?
Ya, go.
Terus next, the equation, because we are going to find the equation with a form y, we can subtraction with 3 because constanta beside y is 3. So we can subtraction the line equation with constanta is 3. Y plus 3 minus 3 is y equal 3x plus 6 minus 3. We can find that y equal 3x, 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is the straight line equation. Y equal 3x plus 3. That's enough. Thank you.
Oke, thanks Mbak. Oke. Oke, karena Mbak Endanya menggunakan papan tulis ya. Oke. Girl, who is next? Ya. Halo.
Saya, Sir.
Mbak Mufti. Oke, Mbak Mufti.
I'm sorry, I'm use whiteboard. Saya kedengeran ya, Pak?
Ya, oke, sige. Ya.
Okay, now we talking about reflection. This is I have a question. That's point C. Point C. Wait, sir. Okay. Sorry, sir. Okay, there is about reflection. We have a question. Point C prime is the image of point C, which is -4, -2, under a reflection across the y-axis. What are the coordinates of C prime? Okay, there is several ways to approach it, but now let's solve it with coordinate plane. Okay, there is x-axis and the y-axis. So the first we must search of point C. There is -4, -2. Because of x value are negative, we gonna move to the left side 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then because the y-axis are -2, we gonna move to the downside 2 points. 1, 2. Okay, the C point are here. C point. Okay, next we gonna reflect it with the y-axis. Y-axis is over here. So for find the reflection of C point, we gonna across the y-axis. This is the y-axis because C to the y-axis need 4 points. So we gonna across to the right side 4.2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get C here. Okay, and then we have coordinates of C points. Because of we are crossing the y-axis, so we have y value are the same. That's -2, and then the x value because we have crossing the y-axis, so before the reflection we have -4, so the x value are positive now. So we have a reflection of C point are 4, -2. That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, thanks, Pak Mufti. Okay, next. Halo. Oke, Mbak Dina. Oke, Mbak Dina. Ya.
Apakah sudah muncul, Pak?
Ya, oke, let's go. Ini gunakan HP ya?
Yes.
Oke.
Today I'm going to talk about equation. To solve an equation means to find value for the variable that makes the equation true. Let's look at a simple example. Andy is 4 times as old as Rizky is now. In 10 years, Andy will be 6 years older than Rizky. How old are they now? From these questions, we should use a variable for Rizky's age and determine the symbolic representation of Andy's age with the same variable. So we have Rizky's age equal x, where x represents Rizky's age. Then Andy's age equal 4 times Rizky's age will be and h equal 4x. In 10 years means that we will add 10 to each of their age. So Rizky's age will be x plus 10 and Andy's age will be 4x plus 10. Andy's age equal Rizky's age plus 6. Following in the previous problem that Andy will be 6 years older than Rizky. Will be 4x plus 10 equal x plus 10 plus 6. Then 4x plus 10 equal x plus 16. We have to subtract both of sides by x. So 3x plus 10 equals 16. Next, we subtract again by 10. 3x equals 6. After that, divide by 3. So we get x equal 2. The answer of the problem is Rizky's current age is 2 and Andy's current age is 8. Let's check this. Andy's current age is 4 times Rizky's age. It means that 4 times 2 equals 8. In 10 years, Andy will be 18 and Rizky will be 12. Andy will be 6 years older than Rizky.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks Mbak Dina. Okay. Please stop the sharing. Okay. Who will be the next? Yang kedua.
Me, sir.
Oke, Simba Akifatul. Oke.
Yes. But this is my first presentation.
Okay. Nah.
Can I start the presentation, sir?
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Okay. So, do you ever have meet this problem? Are you confused? I will show you how to get the solution of this problem. As you can see, the number on the numerator has their own power, and the number on the denominator has their own power, but the power takes place outside the parentheses. So the first step you have to do is make sure the number on the denominator has their own number, their own power. How can you do that? As the basic of formula in exponential. As you times it to every number in parentheses, you will get a to the power of -6 times b to the
Negatif,
power of
negatif,
-6
negatif
and
dan minus.
okay. -6 and c the power of -6. And with the formula of basic exponential 2, if you have the same number that has a power, and then the operation is subtractions, you just minus the power of the same number, and you will get a to the power of -5 minus -6, and b times b -1 minus -6 times c -4 minus -6, and you will get a the power of -5 plus 6 times b -1 plus 6, and c times c -4 plus 6. And the solution of this problem is a times b the power of 5 times c the power of 2. So finish, sir.
Okay, thanks Mbak Afifatul. Okay, please stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay, who's next? Itu ketawanya kedengaran. Kalau untuk yang tugas akhir itu ya, itu silakan menggunakan HP, tapi gunakan kameranya. You harus membuat semacam papan whiteboard tadi itu, seperti teman-teman tadi ya. Oke. Jadi syuting pakai HP-nya, tapi you menjelaskan gitu. Ya. Oke, siapa selanjutnya? Sekarang kita lihat Afifatul itu yang mana sebentar ya. Nah ini Afifatul itu ya. Nih. Ya, oke. Jadi tidak kelihatan wajahnya, sekarang ada. Oke, ya. Who's next? Ini tinggal lumayan banyak nih, 23 orang. Yang pertama atau yang kedua? Silakan. Rebutan. Gak ada. Jadi kalau nggak ada sekarang, nanti waktunya kurang loh. Kita hanya sekali lagi loh. Halo. Halo. Nggak ada. Oke, Mbak.
Islam, Pak. Saya
Ya, Mbak Isna ini. Ya.
Nanti Mbak, your
Jangan terlalu dekat kameranya, Mbak.
Oh iya Pak.
Nah, gitu ya.
Bentar Pak. Sandy ya? Sudah kelihatan Pak?
Belum.
Belum? Hah? Belum kelihatan, Pak?
Baru mau. Ya.
Udah.
Ya, ya. Oke.
Two-dimensional figure, triangle and square. Type of triangle based on side and angle. Angle.
Ya. Supaya suara tidak terganggu, jangan ditutup mulutnya.
Equal lateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle, acute triangle. Type of square. Square. Benar, Pak? Oh, ini. Square. Kemudian rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, and trapezoid. For example, now a square tile with a set of 10 cm. Count the circumference. Solution. The circumference is side plus side plus side plus side. The circumference is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40 centimeter. So the circumference of the tiles is 40 centimeter.
Benar? Kesal? Ya, oke, terima kasih Mbak Isna ini. Ya, oke. Next. Ini karena wajibnya 2 kali ya. Jadi kalau nilainya misalnya 7 ya saya bagi 2, banyak sekali. Misalnya nilainya 7. Ditampil sekali, seharusnya 2 kali, saya bagi 2. Ya. Oke. Siapa? Nih, udah muncul Mbak Fatul.
Iya, Pak, saya, Pak.
Iya, oke.
Bentar, Pak. Sudah muncul belum, Mbak?
Ini pakai laptop atau HP?
Laptop.
Oke. Oke, ya.
Yeah,
Go.
about circle. In central, the equation of a circle A is x plus 3 square plus y minus 4 square is equal to 49. The question, what are its center hk and its radius r? The answer, we know that all the points that are away from the hk point is going to be x minus the coordinate of the center square plus y minus the y coordinate of the center square is equal to radius square. So we can find that x is -3, k is 4, r is square root 49 equals 7. So the center of the circle A is -3, 4, and the radius is 7.
Oke, dan sudah. Oke, ya, thanks Mbak Maftu. Oke, oke, next. Ya. Mbak Dina Ayu, sudah berapa kali? Ya, oke, next. Kedua, mana Mbak Dina Ayu tadi?
Gimana, Pak?
Ya.
2 kali. Sudah 2 kali.
Sudah 2 kali?
Iya.
Oke. Siapa yang nih?
Saya, Pak.
Mbak Yona. Oke, Mbak Yona. Oke, pakai laptop atau HP?
Pakai laptop.
Ya, oke, good.
Sudah kelihatan belum, Pak?
Ya, on the way.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I will share you a little bit about mathematical material. There is geometry, point, line, and plane. So let's just start it with point. A point in geometry is a location. It has no size, no width, no length, and no depth. A point is shown by a dot. Here I have A point and B point. The next is line. A line is defined as a line of points that extend infinitely into direction. It has one dimension and length. Also, a line is defined by 2 points and is written as shown below with an arrowhead. Here, symbol of line, AB line. Next is plane. A plane extends infinitely into dimension. It has no thickness. A plane is usually named by minimum 3 points that are not on the same line. Here I'll give you an example of plane that have 3 points, that is equilateral triangle and right triangle. Here is plane with 4 points. The next is problem example. The first problem is how many points are shown in the figure. So let's count this together. The first point we have A point, second is B point, third is C point, and the last is D point. So the conclusion is we have 4 points. There is A, B, C, and D. Second problem is how many lines are shown in the figure. Line is defined by 2 points. We have AB lines, BD lines. The third is CDC line. Fourth is CA line, and the last is AD line. So the conclusion is we have 5 lines. There is AB, BD, DC, CA, and AD. The last problem is how many planes are shown in the figure. First we have ACD, second we have ABD, and the last we have ABCD. So the conclusion is we have 3 planes, there is ABCD, AB, and ACD. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention and your concern.
Okay, it's good, Mbak Yona. Okay. Okay, next. Halo. You have 15 minutes left. Ya. Tinggal 15 menit. Oke. Saya.
Saya, Sir.
Oke. Silakan. Ini yang kedua ya?
Ya,
Oke. Go. HP atau laptop?
laptop.
Oke. Silakan. Presentasikan.
Sudah terlihat apa belum?
Go. Belum, Pak?
Apakah sudah?
Ya, oke, on the way. Ya, go, Mbak. Halo.
Ya, ini Pak. Multiply fraction. 3/5 times 3/4 equals, we can times the top number or called the numerator and the bottom number called the denominator. So 3/5 times 3/4 equals 3 times 3/4.
Equals. Not A. Equals.
Yeah. 3/4 times 3/5 times 3/4 equals 3 times 3/5 times 4. The equals 6 over
Equals.
the equals
Equals.
6/20. The
Six.
next,
Apa enggak terbalik tuh? Bentar, balik lagi. 6/20.
9/20.
Oke.
Sorry, sir. The next is divide fraction. 3/4.
Satu topik aja, Mbak.
Oh,
One topic only, ya. Oke. Sudah, ya?
sudah Pak.
Oke.
Terima kasih Pak.
Oke, sama-sama. Satu topik saja ya. Oke. Oke, next. Mas Aris, udah muncul barusan?
Iya, Pak. Sebentar. Ini kelihatan belum, Pak?
Oh, sangat.
Kelihatan ya, Pak?
Ya, cuman orangnya nggak kelihatan. Terbalik,
Iya.
Mas. Terbalik, Mas.
Terbalik?
Iya. You itu tiduran itu.
Oh, bentar.
HP-nya harus dibalik. Diputar 90 derajat.
Gini, Pak.
Ya, cuman Mas Arisnya mana? Nah, ya, oke, go, Mas Aris. Bajunya warna cewek ya, bajunya.
I will explain the union and the intersection of set.
One topic only, Mas. Satu aja, union saja, Mas. Union saja.
Okay, union.
Okay.
If we have set A, the element 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we have set B, the content element are
the element of
the
set
element of
B,
set B are
yeah,
3, 4, 5, and 6. And then how we can get answer of union both of A and B. Okay, we will choose the element are common. This is 3 and 4. So the the u the union A and B is 3 and 4. Finish.
are you sure?
The answer
Enggak.
the answer is 3 and 4. Thanks.
Gabungannya
Yeah.
itu tidak irisan loh, kayaknya irisan ya.
Oh.
Oke, union itu apa?
Gabungan. Sorry.
Ya, union itu apa?
Gabungan.
All, ya, all. All member of A and all member of B.
Yes, the union is all of element of A and B. So this
A union B.
A union B.
Okay. Is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 3 and 4 only write once, not twice. Only write one.
Okay.
Okay. The answer is the answer of union A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, thanks, Bang Saris. Yeah, okay. Yeah, who's next? Yeah. We have 10 minutes. Nggak ada? Ini bagi dua semua nantinya, kecuali yang ini.
Pak, saya izin presentasi yang pertama. Tadi susah sih.
Oke, Mbak Suma. Ya.
Ya, sebentar, Pak. Saya
Pakai HP atau laptop?
Saya pakai handphone, Pak. Pakai
Oke.
PPT. Apa saya, ini kan baru kloter 2, Pak. Apa saya terakhir aja?
Terus sekarang.
Atau sekarang?
Sekarang.
Iya. Bentar, Pak.
Nyalain semuanya ininya. Videonya aktifkan. Semua.
Belum kelihatan nggih, Pak?
Belum. Ayo, Mbak. Ya, Pak Sukma. Silakan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Maaf Pak, tadi saya susah sinyal karena di daerah ini Tawangmangu.
Silakan, Mbak. Cukup bagus.
Langsung saja. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sukma, and I want to explain our presentation about geometry. And now, I will explain dimension of mathematics in junior high school. The first is algebra. The definition of algebra is the part of mathematics includes number, theory, geometry, and analysis of its solution. And second, that was geometry in science in a system which studies line, space, volume that are abstract and related to one another. Have line and points so that they become symbols such as square, triangle, circle, and etc.
Triangle, Mbak, bukan triangle. Itu penyanyi dangdut itu. Triangle. Triangle.
Oh, triangle.
Angle.
And circle.
Triangle.
Yeah. Triangle.
Oke. Jangan triangle.
Triangle and circle. And third, there is number. The definition is a mathematical concept used for enumeration and measurement. And fourth, that was statistic. And the definition was science that studies how to plan, collect, analyze, interpret, and finally present data. And the next slide, we will consent and at the geometry. And the definition of geometry itself is a science in a system which to this line, space, and volume that are abstract and related to one another, have line and points so that they become symbols such as square, triangle, and circle. And that is to type and geometry. There was line and corner. Line, the definition of line is an arrangement of dots can be infinite next to each other and in row extending into direction. And corner, an angle is what is for
Angle.
An angle is what is formed by the meeting between two rays or two straight lines. And next slide, we will let in some question in geometry, geometry is corner. We concern at corner, and this there's question about strain angle, and I will explain about strain angle itself. The definition of strain angle is if there are two corners that overlap and from a strain angle, then one corner will be stranger corner. And there is a question, and the option in the next slide. That the question is the size of corner SQR, corner SQR, stranger is, and there is 3 points. There is 3 options, and point A 101 degree, and point B 100 degree, and point C is 95 degree.
Oke Mbak, that's enough. Ya, it's more than one topic. Satu topik saja ya. Satu topik saja. Punya 3 minutes. Ya.
This question, and we can see at the picture of the corner. There was a corner P, Q, R, and S. And this question is one of the trick question. Many people think if the question asks corner SQR, even though what is being asked is corner of PQS.
Sebentar, wait a minute. Jangan pakai corner, dalam matematik tidak ada corner ya. Yang ada vertex. Vertex. Maksudnya ini titik sudut ya.
That I submit. Okay.
And Mbak Sukma. That's enough ya. Satu topik saja kecil saja. That's enough ya. Ya, udah lebih dari 5 menit.
Ya Pak, ini sudah tinggal berapa jawaban soalnya?
Yes, sudah dulu Mbak, udah dulu Mbak.
Oke, thank you sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's for Mbak Sukma.
Thank you for hearing me. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake.
That's okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Stop the sharing, please. Keluar dulu, Mbak. Keluar dulu. Oke, Mbak, keluar, Mbak. Mbak Sukma, keluar dulu, Mbak. Mbak Sukma. Hilang ya. Oke ya, ini Mbak Sukma tidak bisa keluar-keluar ya. Ini sudah pukul 9 ya. Oke. Ada kelas lain, itu dalam satu pertemuan nanti, itu saya yakin bisa selesai itu. Ya. Oke, selesai. Sehingga nanti semuanya 2 kali ya, praktek, gitu ya, 2 kali praktek. Oke. Nah, oke, sebaiknya ya, kalau mau pakai HP atau laptop, pakai HP juga boleh ya. Oke. Baiknya itu pakai HP, ya. Kalau mau pakai HP, gunakan semacam whiteboard, ya. Oke, gunakan whiteboardnya itu sebagai kameranya, ya, sehingga bisa kelihatan, ya. Jadi tidak hanya membaca saja. Oke. Demikian juga dengan yang tugas akhir itu, yang 7-10 menit itu, ya, itu gunakan HP, direkam, ya, bisa minta bantu siapa, teman atau bagaimana, ya, bisa itu. Oke, ya, akan kita akhiri, ya, hari ini. Kita lanjutkan pada tanggal berapa ya? tanggal 8 pada saat tanggal 8 ya. Oke. Terima kasih kehadirannya. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Oke, ya.